In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download demo games on Steam. If you are curious about a game but not ready to buy, demos are a quick way to try before you commit. Well, keep it simple and walk through exactly where to click so you can start playing in minutes. First, open the Steam client on your computer. Once Steam is open, look along the top for the Store tab. Click Store to enter the main marketplace. From there, find the Browse option and choose Demos. This takes you to a dedicated section filled with playable samples across genres. You can scroll through the list, check descriptions, and see what's trending. Exploring this page is a great way to discover new titles without spending anything. If you already have a specific game in mind, use the search bar at the top of the store. Type the game's name and go to its store page. On that page, look for a box labeled Download Demo. It's usually near the Purchase section. If you see that label, it means a demo is available for that game. If you don't see it, the developer hasn't provided a demo at this time. When you are ready, click the Download Demo button. Steam may show a quick confirmation window. Simply review the prompt and click Install to continue the download. Steam will begin fetching the files right away. You'll see the progress in the lower area of the client. And once it's done, the demo will appear in your library. Ready to launch. Download times vary based on your internet speed and server load, so a little patience goes a long way. A couple of quick tips as you do this. Demos are often smaller than full games, but they still require disk space. So make sure you have enough free storage. If you are on a laptop, keeping the device plugged in can help the download complete faster and more reliably. Also, if a game supports multiple platforms, the demo availability can vary. So the download demo option might appear only on certain systems. Many demos include early levels or a time-limited slice of content to highlight key features. That's the entire process. Thanks for watching.